Eevee Sky, Part 3, The Waterfall. Sorry if it's kind of short. What is there to do today? So bored. Is that a waterfall? Look how pretty it looks. Oh my god. I have to get the others. I have to. No, give it up. Later. Oh my god. I'm just... Oh my god. Yeah, and then I asked her to get something for me, and she's like, I got nothing for you, because I'm getting more stuff for someone else because I don't like you. Oh my god, that's so funny. Just kidding. That's not what actually happened. What actually happened was that my friend was looking at a wake. I was beside him. He decided to look at it a little bit closer, and he by accident fell over and went into the ocean. Oh my god, that's so funny. Hey, I'm Rion, Sylveon. I found a waterfall. What? A waterfall? Wait, I want to go to a waterfall. What? A waterfall? I want to go to a waterfall. Can we go there? Yeah, we're going to go there right now. Yay! Let's go and get the others.